All right, so today we are going to talk about finding your LinkedIn member number. Now, LinkedIn at this point, which is September 2022, has over 850 million users. So it'll be interesting to find out what number you are out of these 850 million people. So how do you find this out? Let me share my screen and go to my LinkedIn profile. So you first click on the Me on your home page and you go to View Profile. Okay, and so if you're on Chrome, you see View right at the top. So you click on View and you go right down to Developer, and then you click on View Source. Okay, so it pulls up all this, I guess, code. I have no idea about how code works, but the next step is if you are on a Mac, you press Command F. Where is F? Okay. And then you enter member in the search bar. I've already entered it here, but I'll do it again. You enter member in your search bar and you'll see the code here where it pulls up where members highlighted and it gives you the number. If you are using a PC, instead of Command F, you do Windows F, okay? So this is my member number. It's 18,636,946. So that's, that tells me where I stand out of the 850 million people. I'm in the 18 millions. And if I do a little math, that makes me around the first 0.02% of people who joined LinkedIn. So it's also interesting to see if you do your math and figure that out, also where you stand among the people who joined LinkedIn. I joined LinkedIn in November 30th, 2007, and LinkedIn was officially launched in 2003. So I joined 4 years later. I don't remember how many people were on LinkedIn when I joined, but it was nowhere near what it is today, which is 850 million people. So if you're watching this video, which obviously you are because you've gotten this far, let me know in the comments what your LinkedIn member number is. All right, thank you for watching and have a fabulous day.